Hello everybody, this is a Toyota Camry 2015. Change the oil on this, it's a little bit different. The oil filter. You need, has like a housing. I'll show you in a second, I'll open it up. And what happened with this one, it was so tight, the plastic, it was the original, it's out of plastic. It was one of these lip broke off, and then I'm gonna put this one out of aluminum, but hopefully it fits, because the original one broke off. I thought it was fine, but when I started up it's leaking, so I gotta change it. I'll take off the old one, and I think I can change it without taking the oil out, because I already put the new oil in. So I'm gonna attempt that, and I'm gonna put a clean bin underneath to catch the oil so I can reuse it, but I don't think I have to drain the whole oil. So let's see. This one, what I like is that I don't have to use this special tool. I think I could use this one too, and it would go in here to put it on and off. On the plastic one, you cannot really use this, it slips. You gotta use this. So let's see, I'll give it a try. See how this one works too with this. But with the plastic, it doesn't really work. Okay, so that's the original one. So I tried this one, it goes on nicely. Put some oil here on the seal, the O-ring. So, and you don't have to take out the new oil if you did that. This is how much you lose, which I could put it back in. So there's the filter. It's a new filter. So I'm gonna use it again. I'm gonna put it on the new one. But I'm gonna use this oil. Spilled a little bit. Okay. So you see this one? Let me show you. It cracked in here, and this was cracked before, I think. It broke off, and then it cracked in there, and it's starting to leak. So, and it started leaking right away after I put it back on. So it's a good thing I checked. I had the feeling that I should check before I lowered the car down. I was right. But yeah. So let's see. I'm gonna put it back on and let you know if it works. And if it does, that's the one. That's the new part number, and it's a fit. This one, it's a Toyota Camry 2015. So let's see. The oil filter, it's on the passenger side. Let's see if I can show you. It's like right there, and then this is where you change the oil, engine oil. That's the nut right there. And what I do, I like to write the size of the keys that I need. On this one, it's 14 or 9/16. So next time I'll know. So this is the new one. goes right there, fits nicely. And I know there's like a stopper here, let me see, in there. Make sure that when you take off, this is pushed away from the filter. In my case it was, so it doesn't stop the filter from coming off. But I like the new one. So that's it. But I think I'm gonna show you the old one. I'm gonna talk about it a little bit more. Okay, so when you change the filter, you gotta put the filter comes with these, so you put those, the new ones. But this cover came with the rubber on it already, this one. So on the old one, I said on the new one you might use this, but I have the feeling it'll be harder to take it off. To put it back on, yeah, but to take it off will be a little bit harder. So I think the best one is still use this, because you have these. So yeah, try to use this. You can buy it at your local auto parts store. But yeah, this is the old one. And when you change it, if you don't want oil on yourself, you take this off. Same thing on the new one, but I didn't do it. You take this off with this, and then once it's off, the filter comes with one of these. You screw it in. So what happens, this tip pushes this in, this plastic, and then you'll get oil. You twist it in, and then you'll get oil coming out through here. That way you don't have oil all over your hand. So if you want to do it that way, you can. And that's it. I'm gonna throw this one out. It's no good, as you can see, but I'll keep this. You never know. That's it. Thank you for watching. I'll do a little bit more of this video with how to reset this here. Let's see. So I have to reset it. So I'm gonna go push this to settings, and then push this, and then go down with this. Let's see. Maintenance reset. I'm gonna push this, and then go up again. Push this, go to yes, and then push this again. Let's see, and that's it. And then this pops up. Then I hit this, and then I'm back to settings. And if I keep pushing this, actually this, I'm back here. That's it. Just notice something down there. If you push this, it tells you the trip A, trip B. So I'm gonna reset trip B for the oil. This way I'll know how many miles. Every usually 6,000 miles he wants me to change it. So this one was almost 6. I want to hold it, and it jumped to 0.